Hello everyone, how are you? This is Theron Williams, and I'm coming at you today for a piece of software that I came across here on the internet that's actually pretty remarkable. The name of this software is actually called Video Studios, and basically what it is, it's for the curation of content throughout the internet. So if you're a business, or if you are a professional blogger, or if you have an idea and want to reach, crowds, or a different demographic, or different area, or just different sub niches in your specific topic, this piece of software will actually assist you in doing so. So what I mean by that is, let's say if you're in the car, area, or you have specific knowledge on engines or something like that. Let's say you love Mustangs. Okay, well, there's different, aspects to the Mustang. You have interior, you have exterior, you have the Mustang parts. You have different types of Mustangs, like the Celine and the Shelby, and the fastback. You have, different sub niches within the entire niche itself. And this software actually helps you curate that content long term, so you can add and take away from, and do different things like that. So I'm going to get into how to actually use it right now. So we're going to go on over here. And basically what this does is this finds popular videos that are actually trending based on your topic. And this is the inside of the dashboard itself. So basically what you would do is come to the top, and you want to click on source. Let's click on YouTube, and let's just hypothetical, let's type in Mustang, and we'll click on discover. Let's see here, let's do Ford Mustang. And I apologize for the internet connection. It's a lot of it has to do with where I'm actually at, which is probably why some of the content isn't coming up as fast. So okay, so these are the popular topics in the Ford Mustang. You can see here everything having to do with Mustang, as far as year, model, build, date, some overseas stuff, and everything else. Or even if you have your own content, it would work for that as well. Let's say if you wanted to start some type of local, national, or even worldwide publication for your topic or service. So let's just scroll back up here to the top here, and let's click on this one. So now that we've selected that one, we can start building it here. All right, so we're gonna head on over to the building section here, and what this is going to do, it's going to format the screen so it matches the topic, so to speak, as far as Mustang and everything else. So what you come over here and do, if you have written content for whatever it is you want to say about it. So let's say Mustang is, man, if I can learn how to spell, say great American car, or something like that. Okay, so let's say we want to hyperlink it to your website, or whatever website that you have. Let's just go .com, add the link, and you can add different pictures or whatever from the media gallery, stuff like that. And now the thing that kind of sets the software apart is your ability to curate content that's already being used on the internet. And you can create your own content obviously, but if it's already there and you're able to maximize it, and do whatever it is you need to do as far as really putting it out there, then you can also do so, excuse me. And then also, in addition to that, you can add contact forms in case you're trying to build a list for whatever topic or product or service, or whatever you're trying to do. Let's see here, what else? Okay, can increase ROI as far as lead capture, video ads inside of the video itself. So annotations, you can add annotations to it. CTA button as far as like downloads, and also banner ad integration as well. And then you can customize, the banner ads or whatever based on, if you have people who want to advertise and what you have, you can, add them to that too as well. So let's click on one. We'll just click on annotations because it's probably the easiest. So we'll customize the annotation. We'll say buy Mustang now or something like that, with and then we can different colors or whatever to match the background and everything, and then the target URL, we'll say .com, and then the duration of the ad, when it will actually appear, we'll say 0.9 seconds or something like that. And then disappear it, we'll say 11.0 or something like that. And then we can click on display ad of call, show close button or whatever as far as the exit portion of it too. And then we'll just click on add to campaign. Now let's see if it'll play at 9 seconds. Yep. So you can see the annotation or whatever appear, and this is exactly how it'll appear in your website. So you can actually sell ad space within this software. It's actually really good. It does a lot of stuff. So you can add your keywords and everything. Let's say Mustang, Ford, something like that. Then you can add your tags. Now I'm not really a big tags fan. I prefer keywords because tags show at the bottom of the post, and depending on what product or service it is you're trying to sell, you really don't want people to know your tags, because your tags and your keywords can sometimes be the exact same thing. So that's not something that you just want to give freely. Now this is a demo portion. You can also add the Twitter feeds to it, the most popular ones, and you'll also be able to add your Google Plus feeds too, the most popular feeds, to give the actual portion of this social proof. And the more social proof you have, the more people may or may not be willing to accept you. Let's see if we can find a picture really quick of a Mustang. 2015 pictures. So we'll just click on one really quick. We'll make the downloads, and then let's go back here. So let's add add media. We can go to upload files, select files here, and it will save to our downloads. Let's find it here. Okay, choose that, upload it. Now one thing too, when you add your images into your post, all this information is actually optimization for the images. It's how the images actually show up in Google, because you give the websites or the search engines metadata on your topic. Using images is probably one of the most overlooked forms of optimization for whatever it is you're trying to do. People really underutilize it, and honestly, the images for my personal business, which is MrPressureWasher.com, that was my actual claim to fame in the areas that I service in Daytona Beach. So always use images. So you want to put in the image metadata and everything else like that, full size. We'll just leave it as is, and then insert in the post. So after this is inserted into post, you can add more content. See Ford today or something like that. Okay, so now that we've added this stuff in, and we've added at least one annotation for our campaign, we can use a overlay image file. We'll just use this one here, same one, and that will be the JPEG overlay image, and you'll be able to see it when we actually save everything. So next to authority. Okay, so the authority section just allows you to add more keywords as well. You can also add other videos to go under what you currently have available, and adding other videos under what you currently have available will just give you more authority based on your topic or whatever keyword search. So we'll just say Ford Mustang 2015, and then you can pick articles associated with your topic as well. And this gives you, just more proof of what it is you're trying to accomplish. So now we have additional articles and other proofs. So we'll just continue to next to publish. And you can select your category here. We'll just we'll say, let's add category. We'll just put Mustang. Okay, so now we have that there, and then we'll click on finish. And I apologize again for the internet connections moving kind of slow. So this is our new post here under, the Mustang. This is our overlay, and this is how it would actually appear when you go to the website. Everything, is categorized in whatever order it is you choose to put it in. So let's click on it and see what it actually looks like. Okay, well, let's go to more, and this is the actual listing. So yeah, I'm not sure what was going on there, but this is what the listing actually looks like. You can add more things to it. Here are other related videos based on your topic. You can play the video here.
The sixth generation.
Click on the Buy Mustang Now icon, and you can see him, pretty much talking about the car and everything else. So this is what the software entails. It is a good, overall curation of content. It's not, you're not stealing anybody's stuff or anything like that. You're just helping to curate content or whatever that's already out there, or you can curate your own content. It already has, social sharing and everything included, based on whatever it is you have set up. So I mean, it's all in all a pretty good piece of software. From what I have to say, as far as having the opportunity to play around with it. So I'll link you guys to it, and if you like it, let me know. If not, then so on and so forth. Anyway, have a good Sunday, and I'll talk to you soon. Later.